I am really excited this finally came in. Can't wait to open it. So this is the intake, and this is the high volume plus duct kit. It gets installed under this after I pull this one out. So let's get started. Let's go see what's all in here. Let's get my knife and check it out. Check out what's all in here. Pretty. Pretty bracket. Guessing that goes right here. And we get stickers. This intake fucking sucks. Yes, it does. And we get another tube. Maybe we can keep that. No, that one's more angled. And we get the O2 sensor that connects to that. Bam! Look at this baby. Woo! Bam! It's fucking sick. Let's open this one now. I think we have to cut that one to make it fit. Let's check it out. Boom. So we get a tube, get some hose clamps, more stickers, and the bottom intake duct that connects to that. Boom. Cut that open. Heck yeah. And that connects the bracket. Mount that. Put that on there. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Light. Alright guys, so we just got done installing. If I can wipe this real quick. Installing this bracket, this little intake housing that hooks up to the whole the intake duct, and it comes with 3 fasteners. And you put in these 2 bolts from the old one, from that one, and you put in the same bolt down there and a different boot back there inside. And I got that intake duct kit, so I cut the bottom of the intake right there and connected the bottom piece. As you can see, it's right, let's see if I can get a good shot. It is right there. See that? Got it hooked up. I didn't mount the bracket just because it was hard to fit, but it's pretty tight without the bracket. I did it through the undercarriage, so it's pretty tight without the bracket. So I installed that one right here without the bracket, and I took this off. I took that off. Let's see how it does. Took that cover off and see if it helps. I don't know if, I think this wheel well cover still covers it, but let's just see what happens. Oh, I want to see if I can get something made just to cover it right here when it rains, so I don't suck any rain in. Water, I mean. So we're almost there. Almost there, guys. Finally, just got everything adjusted. Just gotta put the filter in, the boot, the plastic piece to hold the sensor, and boom, just close up all the wheel wells and everything, and we should be ready. Check this out, guys. It worked pretty good. Look at this. I got this. Let me see. Right there's the intake, the intake duct right there, right behind that pillar. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Right there. Heck yeah. Boom. Just gotta come up with something to cover this on rainy days. So hopefully you guys can hear it with the exhaust. So this time I put the the camera inside the car, hoping you could hear the intake. I got the 27 1 mid pipe and cat back. on, baby, we're going. And hopefully you guys can hear the intake. You can hear it spool up and blow off a little, but it's pretty cool. I like it. The intake. So I have the fog light bezel over here taken apart, so it sucks in the air. But maybe one of these days someone or me could make a 3D print tube coming from the fog light bezel to that bottom air intake duct. So we're coming to the street, so let's see if you guys can hear from the, hopefully you guys can hear with the camera inside the car. Let's check it out. Let's check that out.